In this video, we explore how easy it is to send a failed flow alert from Salesforce into Microsoft Teams. Once the solution is configured, getting started is as simple as adding an action to your Salesforce flow. In this example flow, we know that we are going to cause a fault. Many companies choose to use a subflow to make this easier and reusable. So let's dig deeper. Our old error handling flow is pretty simple, sending an email alert and displaying a message on screen. Time to modernize. First, we will take a look at the message body being used in the email. A text template is a great way to prepare a formatted message, especially if we want to construct a piece of text using values from other resources such as records and other variables. We want to make sure it is created as plain text, as Teams uses Markdown for formatting instead of HTML. Here we use double asterisks for bold, dashes for a list, and asterisks for italics. With our message prepared, time to add the notification to the flow. Add a new element to the canvas and search for Teams. We have 3 pre-built notifications, and for this video, we will send a simple notification. Pick the Teams channel you want the notification to appear in with a quick search. Our text template will be placed here in the message. Now that the Teams notification is built, we can remove the email action. Save and activate the flow, and now it's time to see it in action. Let's try to create a duplicate, causing an error and the flow to send the notification into Microsoft Teams.